Come take a look at the new Christmas vinyls with me. I'm gonna open them for the first time. This is the first time any of my albums have come out on vinyl, so I'm really excited to see them. And I hope that I chose all of the correct options because it's kind of convoluted when you order vinyls. That's a box within a box. That's fragile, but I don't know how else to get these out. Now we will take a first look at the vinyls. These are Christmas vinyls for Satin Sashes. They will release officially November 28th. If you would like to pre-order one, they are on my album. Okay. Third time's a charm. We're gonna take a first look at the new Satin Sashes vinyl. Oh wow, that just made it all worth it. This is the vinyl. Here's the back side. Oh my gosh. And you open it up. Ooh, that looks great. Oh, that's lighter than I thought it was gonna be. This looks so pretty! And there's just like a little bit of detailing in there. Do you see it? Ooh! Should we go play this?
Sure.
The world is your snowball, see how it grows, and that's how it goes. Whenever it snows, the world